Shwmae a chroeso I fideo Drymio rhif 4. Hello and welcome to the 4th drumming video. So fi dangos chi sort of drymio syml mor belled. So I've shown you some simple drumming so far and we'll sort of syth mynd syth mewn or how to go straight into it. Bydd mynd i dangos chi heddiw yw y 2 rudiment gyntaf ar gyfer drum snare. So today I'm going to show you the first 2 rudiments of the snare drum rudiments. Rudiment yw patrwm sticio. So rudiment is a sticking pattern. Fel gyda piano bydd ti'n dysgu chords a scales. So with the piano you'd learn chords and scales. A sort of tebyg, sort of mae patrwm sticio mae'n cael ei defnyddio ar y drums yn ystod caneuon a fills. So these sticking patterns get used during the song and for fills. So fel nes dwi, mae'n gyd yn cael ei chwarae ar snare drum, so mae'n gael yn marfer hebddo fe, ond gallu dal wneud sort of symudiadau gyda wrists chi. So it's quite hard to sort of practice without the noise that the snare drum makes, but you can still practice the wrist movement. So I'm going to symud y camera now and dangos chi y 2 gyntaf. So I'm going to move the camera now and show you the first. Felly, mae'r un gyntaf yw roll, stroke, sengl. So the first one is a single stroke roll. And mae'r patrwm sticio, the sticking pattern, yn mynd fel hyn. It goes like this. De, chwyth, de, chwyth, de, chwyth, de, chwyth. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. De, chwyth, de, chwyth, de, chwyth, de, chwyth. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. De, chwyth, de, chwyth, de, chwyth, de, chwyth. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Dyna ni. So 8 nodding. Nawr, yr ail un, so the second one. Enw hyn yw stroke sengl 4. This is called a single stroke 4. Ni barod wedi dysgu hyn, we've already learnt this, yr ail rudiment, the second rudiment, a dysgu ni wythnos diwetha fel ein fill gynta. So we learnt this last week as our first fill. Mae fe'n gwmws yr un peth ar un gynta, ond wedi ei haneri. So it's exactly the same as the first one, but halved. So mae'r patrwm sticio, the sticking pattern yw hyn. De, chwyth, de, chwyth. Right, left, right, left. 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 Dechrau fe'n araf, start it slowly, cyflymu fel am, speed it up. Dyna yw natur drymio. De, chwyth, de, chwyth. Right, left, right, left. So fel ni'n gwybod, mae'r un yma yn mynd mewn I can fel hyn. 1 a 2 a 3 a 1 a 2 a 3 a fel na. So ti'n cael gwared o'r 2 nod yn arf ac yn rhoi 4 mewn. So you're getting rid of the last 2 notes and putting 4 instead. So 1 a 2 a 3 a. So 1 and 2 and 3 and. A wedyn am un gynta, so for the first one, ti'n neud yr un peth, ond am hanner y bar olaf. So you do the same thing, but for the second half of the bar, the whole second half. So ti'n rhoi a rudiment gyntaf mewn fel hyn. So you'd put the first rudiment into a beat like this. So 1 a 2 a 3 a 4 a. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 a 2 a 1 a 2 a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Dyna ni ta. Dyna 2 rudiments gynta. So there we are then, there's the first 2 rudiments. Mae angen I fi bwysleisio I araf I popeth lawr I dechrau a wedyn cyflymu fel lan. So I need to emphasise that you start everything off slowly and then you speed it up, okay? A hefyd, os oes diddordeb gyda chi, ni'n meddwl am dechrau wneud gwersi byr, 10-15 munud, dros Zoom, gwersi Drymio. So we're also thinking about doing some short drumming lessons over Zoom, sort of 10 to 15 minutes, bilingually. So if you are interested, please let us know. My email will be below the video. So na I adael e-bost fi o dan y fideo, a os oes diddordeb gyda chi, gadewch i ni wybod. Iawn, diolch yn fawr a pob lwc. Thank you very much and good luck.